Hello everyone, welcome back to another Google Meet tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to join a Google Meet meeting step by step. First, open Google Meet in your web browser. On the home page, click the Enter a Code or Link box. Now, paste the meeting link or enter the meeting code that you received from the meeting host, then click the Join button. Before joining, you can turn your camera and microphone on or off using the controls on the preview screen. Next, click Join Now or Ask to Join, depending on the meeting settings. Once you're in the meeting, you can use the microphone and camera controls, open the chat panel to send messages, and use the People panel to see other participants. When the meeting is over, simply click the red Leave Call button to exit the meeting. That's it. This is how you can quickly join a Google Meet meeting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.